Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how I do the weld, So this pieces I had to cut off. I can use it for a ring. I got a nice cheap ring that I made myself. Burrs and everything. Alright, let's go over here. That's what I did right there. You see? Oops, right there. Chop it off. This didn't come out. Ooh. I think that was unnecessary pieces. So here I got it at number what? That's number 11, right? Okay. Then wires is 6. But it don't click, and this don't click into place. See? But the other one click into place. And you could choose different welding types: stitch, spot, or continuous. I do the continuous. It only goes up and down, don't go left and right. Time, I don't even know what this shit is. Time 3, is that good? Oh, this is brand new, but look, I already gunked it up. Alright, plop it back on there. This thing. Look how stupid it looks already. This is new parts. It's like slag. It's like fucking slag. This is where? Here, 30 thousandths. That's 30. I got 35 thousandths, but I'm gonna use this up first. However long that might take a while. Slide this guy's back on there. I got to make sure that it's clean. Oopsies. I can't really. Let me see if I could do this. That's shitty. What's the deal? I'm trying to. I don't have a stand for the phone. Let's see. What can I do? Put the bottle. Is that good? No. How about that? Is that good? Alright, I'm just gonna see. Hopefully that my hand shows up. I don't know. I suck at making movies. Just pour a little bit of transmission fluid. Or what? No, it says additive. What is it? It's a transmission additive. So that's what I'm gonna do. Clean this up in there. It's like slag. It's already got slagged. Just putting lubricant inside of here. So that's good. Alright, let me go put it on the insulator bushing. Does this work yet? Let me use this towel. So there you go. I'll put it back in together. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I had to try and prop up my phone somehow. I don't know how to do that. What if I do this? Is that good? Is this shitty? Let's see how rinky-dink I am. Alright, I'm gonna try and weld right now. Gotta take off my headphone, put those in my pocket. I'm gonna go to town on this thing. Place this stuff over there. This is not supposed to be disturbed. Whatever. Alright, hold up. I'm putting my helmet. See, I got my helmet. Got my clippers. That's nice. Do this thing. It's time to do this thing. Got a new clamp right there. It's already on the workpiece. Let's go. Let's do this. Alright. Oh man, now what do I do? Fire! Glowing red. I want some bare metal now. Oh yeah, baby, it's glowing red. Oh. See, it's already cooled off. This is just practice. Look at this. It's like a fucking brain.
Nobody wants to see your brain, John.
This is so teetery. That's like as good as I can do. I did a little bit like that. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's recording. How long has it been? 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Alright, let me go to town. But first, this looks like brains. Here's my new clamp that I made. Is tough. Let's place this somewhere dangerous. There. Alright, this look at this shit. It's all discolored and everything. Alright, let's try the bare metal side. Do some more. It's a good clamp. I like it. I like it like that. I like it like that. What song is that? Where's that song come from? Alright. Fire! Glowing, I made a hole in it. Oh well. I think I should redo the clamp. Let's try that. This galvanized. That's probably part of the problem. That's probably why it's not working so good. Galvanized. Maybe it messed up because I said I like it like that. Alright, how's that? It's not touching. Alright, I blew a hole in it. Oh well, let's go to it anyways. I filled in the hole. Can't mess around with it right now because I need a tripod. I don't have a tripod with me, and I gotta buy a new phone holder for the tripod. Made another hole. Oh well, let's keep going. It's glowing red. Hold up, I gotta try and show you before it dies down. My hand's shaking. It was glowing more before. Alright, let's just do a little bit more. How's this doing? Is that good? Good or no good? Fire! No holes. Maybe a little one on the right. Blew a hole in it. Now it's really glowing.